is very special, especially a cappella music. As we describe it, we also do in Estonia a big song celebrations with 25,000 singers in choir. We sing a cappella. It's totally different. It's a feeling like you fly.
At the EBU, we are looking for great formats that can unite the people in Europe, that can unite our broadcasters, our members, and to give them valuable, good content on their schedules. So we think there was a niche here that we wanted to explore, and what better than choirs?
Not only impressing, but they're expressing with their faces, with their eyes, with the music they are doing. I really enjoyed it.
Beautifully tuned, beautifully blended. It took me there.
You've created your own digital virtual choir. Can you tell us what it is?
That's right. Simply the chance to perform and to show a wide audience the joy of singing, this to me is everything. Because I feel that many people will watch it and then suddenly decide, I want to be a part of this. I also want to join the choir. And that can only be a good thing.
We go on the stage representing our country and making the rest of the nation proud at home, hopefully, so that they've got a big, huge smile, not just the parents, but everybody back home, and think, well, they did a really good job on our behalf.
Die Chorwettbewerbe sind vergleichbar.
The choir competitions can be compared to sports competitions. People come together, sing, and want to compare their level of choral proficiency to other international choirs. They want to compete, and the most important thing is to get to know each other. They make friends regardless of skin colors, religions, and political attitudes.
I want to look 27.
So I'm delighted to announce that the first ever Eurovision Choir of the Year is Slovenia, Carmen Manet!